Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video, I will teach you how you can use Threads by Instagram on your desktop PC. So this is the official website of Threads. And as you can see, I can't use it on my desktop computer. I need to open it with my mobile phone, guys. So in this video, I will show you the solution, how you can use it on your PC. For that, we should use the Android emulator. For example, in this video, I will use Mumu Nebula emulator for the several reasons. The main reason is that it doesn't have any huge system requirements and it can run on Potato PC, guys. Also, if you don't like Mumu Nebula, you can use BlueStacks. It's the most popular emulator at the moment, guys. So first of all, let's download the Mumu Nebula emulator on our PC. You need to click this button and you need to install the Mumu Nebula on your PC, guys. So we can pause the video here, and once you will install it, you can continue watching this video tutorial. I already installed the emulator, so I can open it. So guys, this is the Mumu Nebula emulator. So let's go to App Center. First of all, guys, when you open this app, you need to sign in into your Google account, and once you will do it, open the Google Play Store, and here's the search bar. So to download the Threads by Instagram, you need to type Threads in the search bar and just search for this. Okay, and here is Threads and Instagram app. Open this and click the install button. It will take a few seconds, guys. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's already installed and we can open now. Okay, guys, here you can see that we are already running the Threads app on our PC. So we need to wait and we need to sign in into our account. Let's click this. You need to enter your Instagram username and password, and you need to log into your account. Okay guys, I logged into my account and now I can use Threads on my PC without any problem, guys. As you can see, it's running perfectly. You can go to your profile, you can post any threads here, you can attach images, so you can run this app on your PC. That's all I wanted to tell you in this short video tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for me, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.